Hello, I'm here to review the Collagen Peptides by the brand Orgain. It's a really good product. I'm very excited about this collagen. It has 1 billion probiotics per serving. It's collagen and probiotics. It's 20 grams of collagen. Okay, so this is how it looks inside. It's just a white powder. This is the serving spoon. There's 80 calories per each serving. The whole bottle serves 34 servings. It doesn't have any flavor. You can add it to water, juice, coffee, tea, chocolate, smoothies. It's very, very useful. It won't change the flavor of your meals. And I like it. I've been drinking it every morning. That's how I like to do this. That's how I like to drink it. It doesn't have any dairy ingredients. It doesn't have any soy. It's non-GMO. It's gluten-free. And it doesn't have any sugar added. Thank you for watching my video.